Who do you think is going to make the pizza dough today?
We are!
The greatest joy I have is visiting other Young Chefs Academy locations and getting in the kitchen with the kids. My name is Julie Burleson. I'm founder and CEO of Young Chefs Academy. We are the first franchise concept of its kind where we teach children and teens the joy and value of cooking. From as far back as I can remember, I'm a foodie. I've always believed that, if I found a business that I could combine my passions, success would come easier, and more importantly, happiness and fulfillment. It wasn't until I was a mother with young children that I realized I hadn't quite found my dream career in business, and it was at a moment when my son was in the kitchen helping me cook, prepare a meal for another catering business that I had started and was working on. It was that moment that I realized, wow, I found the business of my dreams. I opened the first cooking school for children in Waco, Texas. It was a matter of putting an ad in a small paper and putting it out there. Because I've had franchising on my mind, because I understand the model, I quickly realized, wow, this is a franchisable business. Not only could I be living the dream here in Waco, offering children this service, I could help inspire other people. We're in 6 countries and we have over 30 in the United States. We have 4 in build out right now. So because we've spent time really building our support model, we're built for scalability. We're ready to grow. We plan to open 20 this year and 20 the following year. All of our classes and programs are taught by teachers who are trained on the Young Chefs Academy systems. We have a team of recipe developers, nutritionists, all experts in their field. So our curriculum is curated to teach children not only true culinary skills, at the same time they're learning things such as etiquette, history of food, science behind food, math, vocabulary, culture. Our support model provides all of the pieces that a business owner needs to get out and start their business right away so that they can start teaching kids to cook, from recipes to marketing pieces to an operating system to a website, social media support for somebody who is looking to start a business and find something that they're passionate about and driven to do. And if they're coachable, then we have the rest of the support in place. I would tell them probably 3 things. I would say find a mentor, somebody who's found success in business that you can trust to be a straight shooter with you. Second, find something that fits your lifestyle or the lifestyle that you want for you and your family. And number 3, consider franchising, because that's a proven business model that where they've done all of the heavy lifting, and in today's busy, hectic world, especially moms with families, you find that right business, you're in business, like they say, not by yourself, but for yourself.
Okay, chefs, are we ready to see our finished product?
Yes!
My favorite parts of being in the kitchen with my family is the fact that when we all prepare a meal together is just as enjoyable as when we sit down. We all stand around the island, share stories of the day. It's just such a bonding experience. And cooking together brings eating around the table to a whole new level.